Hi. Can you imagine that I once worked a low-paying job in a restaurant? Obviously, there was a huge span of time when I was out of work. So, I began to look for other jobs. I even looked for online opportunities to make some extra money. Do you know how frustrating it can be to see all the fake ads that make big promises, but deliver almost nothing? Then I ran across an ad that promised that I could earn money by placing a wireless transmitter in my front window. This device helps with smart device communication, and it mines cryptocurrency. I was intrigued. It cost nothing to join. And my monthly earnings were more than I expected. Simply by having this small radio device in your home or business, you too can receive a monthly payment. The payment you receive can be hundreds of dollars per month. It fits in the palm of your hand and pays you in cryptocurrency, which you can easily exchange for cash. All you need is an internet connection and a spot to place your device. I talked about this to many of the people I know. Some of them joined. I posted about this on Facebook, Pinterest, and wrote about it in my blog. Many more people joined up. And, as they earned, the affiliate program really helped to boost my income. If you are tired of a low-paying job that gives you no great joy, you owe it to yourself to see what I saw. Just take a little action. And, you too can see big results. Now, watch this short video to learn more about this easy way to make extra money.
If you're watching this video right now, you're in a position to make generational money by helping us build out an infrastructure for energy-efficient wireless mining pools across the globe that helps communicate signals from smart devices to the people who want to receive those signals. Smart devices include things like pet trackers, temperature sensors, motion detectors, medical monitors, smart thermostats, e-bikes, scooters, and much more. Our goal is to build out a network of 35 million miners over the next few years, and we're looking for hosts everywhere. If you will help us secure locations for our miners, we'll pay you. And not just a one-time finder's fee, we'll pay you an income based on the crypto that those miners mine for as long as they are mining. This could be hundreds of dollars per month per miner, and with our program, you might be able to refer thousands of miners. And don't snooze, because we are exploding. We started securing locations in 2019, and by August of 2020, we had around 7,000 locations secured. And by November of 2021, we've grown to over 300,000 locations. Now that's exciting, but it doesn't even put a scratch in the market because we need 35 million miners. So if your location qualifies, we'll show you how to get a miner that'll make you some serious cash every month after month after month. Or if you refer us to someone whose location qualifies, we'll pay you a referral commissions on the crypto that miner mines. There is no fee to join, and there is no monthly fees. We're just looking for people who can help us secure locations, and we'll pay you to do it. So go ahead and click the button to learn more now. You'll be glad you did.
Now, it's time to get your own mining assessment. Just enter your contact details in the form to show me you are interested. You will be taken to a page where you can give me all the details I need. I'll get your free mining assessment back to you, and you'll see how much you could earn every month. You can also join our affiliate program so you can help find other locations and earn an ongoing income. So, enter your contact details and let's get started.